Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts. And today I am at the beautiful Dreams Playa Mujeres Golf and Spa Resort. Now this particular category that I'm in is a master suite oceanfront with private pool. It's perfect for so many different configurations, whether it's a couple or you've got a family with kids. Having that pool is a really special bonus, but let me show you what it's all about. As soon as you walk in here, you have a second bathroom. So you've got a toilet and a sink. We all know, traveling with a family or a couple, a second bathroom is always preferred. Right here, you have your Dreams box. So this is where they actually deliver room service. I love that touch because when you order room service, you can do it digitally right on the tablet, and they're gonna deliver it there. You don't have to worry about getting up and running to the door. And when you're done, you just put it right there and they take it away. Just a nice little touch that they have here. As we continue into the entryway, what you immediately find is that there is a ton of space here. It's a really, really large room, category very, very spacious. You've got your table right here in the middle. This is the dining room table. So of course you can have room service. I think it's a really great, especially with families, to have breakfast in here or maybe out on one of your outdoor spaces. I'll get to that in just a minute. But let me show you what else complements this. Right here, you are going to have your Nespresso maker. You got the cups right there, some snacks that they always have, and of course, everything that goes with that. Down below, you're gonna have your mini fridge fully stocked for you for your entire stay. So as we continue back in, I wanted to show you that you have a temperature control right there. I love that every single room space in here has its own temperature control. And right here, you're gonna find the couch. So of course, this looks at the large screen TV, perfect for a couch configuration, but it also works as a pull-out. I found that the beds here are actually really comfortable for couch beds. They're not normally. I've found that they're really, really good, but you could put two kids out here on the couch. That's one of the configurations that works for this room. Now over here, you have a couple more drawers underneath for additional storage. So now we're headed into the master bedroom. Now you can really see where that size adds up for that nearly 1,200 square foot room. One great feature about this, especially because it's oceanfront, is the bed faces directly out at the ocean and your pool in front of you. And right here, you've got a writing desk. It's really large. You have plugs on both sides, USB and US plugs. That's a really nice feature as well because once again, from the desk, you have that beautiful view. Now, one great feature that I wanted to point out is this tablet. So you're gonna have this tablet to use throughout your stay. You can access the dining menus, all the schedules of different things that are happening, spa, tours, but what I really love it for is the ability to order room service directly from there. It's gonna be delivered to the Dream box, and then all you have to do is just go over there, put your stuff back in, and you let them know right on here, and they're gonna pick it up. So it's just that extra level of privacy and quality service. Now we're headed into the master bathroom. So as soon as you get in here, you see the theme continues, a ton of space. You've got this huge jacuzzi soaking tub. They've got bath salts for you if you'd like. And then of course it has jets. Over here, you've got some storage up and down. I do love that they have a steamer for you. They also are going to have a hair dryer in every single room. Right here, you're gonna have your safe. It's actually big enough for a small laptop or a tablet. You've got all of your hanging space here. So a ton of space, including your robes and slippers. They do nightly turn down service. So you're gonna get that every single night here. As I head over to the vanity, I wanted to point out that this is a preferred club room. What that means is you're gonna get all the preferred club amenities. That's expedited arrival check-in in the preferred club itself. They have a bar in there as well, continental breakfast. You can use that throughout your entire stay. And throughout the entire resort, there's other amenities we'll point out in a minute, but this is one that I love. You've got this huge bag with upgraded bath amenities there. They have all the little things in there that you may have even forgotten, like sunscreen and mosquito repellent, but what I love is that it's full size and it's very well presented. You've got your towels underneath, and then you've got the magnifying mirror over here, always important. And then I did want to point out the toilet and the shower. It's big enough for me, I always appreciate that. Right up here, you've got a rainforest shower head, you've got your shower wand, and then you also have a nice little seat in the corner. So now we're into the sleeping space, and just next to the king size bed, you've got two USB charging stations. And I also wanted to especially point out that the makeup room and do not disturb is right there next to the bed. It's convenient in the evening when you go to bed, you can go ahead and hit that button. You've got your remote, phone, and a little bit of storage. And then on the other side, you have another USB charger. You're also going to have a little bit of storage and a reading light. Right here, you've got more storage and your flat panel TV, but the showstopper is, of course, this incredible view looking out to the ocean. One important feature of this room that I wanted to point out is virtually all of the ones in this category have an adjoining junior suite. You can put them together. There's some special way that you need to do it, but make sure, of course, you're going to use a travel agent for that. We would love to help you, and we know the ins and outs of making that work. But one of the quirks about this room is this particular one adjoins to the presidential suite on one side, and so the adjoining junior suite goes through the living room here. There's others on the other side that actually connect to the living room as well, but several different configurations that are perfect for larger families. So just outside the master bedroom is this beautiful terrace. I wanted to point out that these have screens on both sides, both the living room and the bedroom. So if you want that beautiful air coming in through the beach in the morning, you can open those up. But look at this massive amount of space out here. You've got two loungers right there. They also can set this up with a table and chairs. There's several configurations. You can have them do that for you. And right here, though, is the absolute showstopper, and that is the huge private pool looking directly out the palapas and the beach in front of you. I did want to mention those palapas are one of the preferred club amenities that you have here, which is an extra bonus. In addition, you're going to get access to the lazy river. It's actually one of my family's absolute favorite. And throughout the entire resort, they have valley beds that you can take advantage of if you're in that category. So one added benefit of this master suite category is the unbelievable rooftop. If you thought this pool was incredible, it is even more so. So up on the top deck, you got incredible views directly out to the beautiful turquoise water of the ocean. You have a huge family-sized private jacuzzi. You also have an additional couch up there. So you can see if you have friends or family at the resort, this is a perfect room to stay at as well, where you can host them or have just a ton of private space for you and your family. So when you're ready to book this incredible oceanfront suite or any suite at Dreams or Secrets or any of the AM resorts, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the space inside and out. We have a great relationship with AM, and we know that we can help you and your family choose the perfect vacation and create those memories of a lifetime for an incredible value.